Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your speaker JBL Grip available on your Android device? So I already installed and set up the application what JBL offer for the speakers. It calls JBL Portable, and if we open the application we can check the list with supported devices. So you need to click Can Find Product, and right here we have all the speakers. So our model is Grip, and we need to find Grip series, and right here on the left side we have it. So let's click on it, and right here we have our speaker JBL Grip. So my short answer is yes, the application available for the speaker. Now, if you don't know how to install and set up the application or how to add the speaker to the app, you can check videos at this channel. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!